Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how easy it is to fix sometimes, not every time, sometimes water damaged boards. In this case I've got a Note 3 which has been definitely through some water, might be dropped in water, whoever knows. So as you can see, when I try to zoom in, you've got some corrosions over the electronic parts. So I will show you different process how you can fix this kind of board. First case, if it's not too much, this is a spray I'm gonna use. It's called Falcon 530. It's like a contact spray cleaner. You can get it for £10 in UK. In other countries like Italy or Spain, France, I think you can get a different one, but quite the same one. It's called G22. It's something similar like contact spray, something like that. Anyway, but it's more expensive because it's a German product. Anyway, it works better than this one, but in this case I've got only this one with me. So as you can see, I'm just putting over the ball bit spray. In some cases, if it's too much corrosion, you need to leave it for more than like 15 minutes. Sorry, not 15 minutes, like 2 minutes, let's say 2 minutes. Because anyway, this spray in contact with air is just disappearing, it's evaporating really quick. So actually this spray is going deep to the parts where where some corrosion evolved there. So if you use a toothbrush, not too soft, I would suggest like a medium toothbrush, something really cheap, which is a bit harder, let's say. It will help you to clean really good board. In some cases, for example iPhones, the board is quite difficult to clean with just with the spray. In some cases it's just not working. You have to put it through ultrasound bath, but I don't like working with ultrasound bath because so many times it just cleans the board, but in the meantime damage the processor, because some boards the processor is not let's say sealed with some sort of silicone. So if any liquid goes under the BGA and is not coming out, like it's not dried enough, as soon as you power up the board, the processor will die. Yes, in like seconds, milliseconds. Anyway, so this is a really easy how you can repair. Just put a bit of spray. Try to make sure you clean every single part of the board, so there's no short, because the corrosion actually is like it's like some salt, as I remember. So definitely it will create like a jumper through the parts, through the schematic. So in this case I already tested the board. It's working fine. As you can see, you will see I will make a full test of the phone, so nothing is wrong with the phone. It has been shorted quite in the power supply area. So as you can see, easy to clean, not more than 10 minutes. In my case was just a little bit signs of corrosion, so it was quite easy and really fast to get it done. But in some other cases, after you clean the board is just dead. If you put it through a power supply, it will show you that it draws some current, might be 120 milliamps, which will mean that the power manager IC, which divides all the electricity to your board, let's say like that, all the current through your board, is dead. Because usually to power up the phone you need at least 500 till 750, as I remember for Samsung, especially this model. So I'll just put a few screws back. So I've got a speaker contact. Usually if you power up a phone without the speaker, it will overheat the board like really low, really high. And the reason is because the power amplifier, the audio chip IC, it has no let's say it has no resistance load, which should be the speaker. So it overheats itself because the output resistance is an infinite, because there's nothing connected to it. It's like just air contact. So it will overheat the board. It could cause you damage. It could damage actually the audio IC. So make sure every time when you test the phone, just put a speaker in there, so it'll be better for you. So as you can see, this phone works fine, nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna put a foil. This is something like a normal foil protection. You can get it from China. Unfortunately if you're gonna ask me where is this from, I've got no idea. We just buy it from China. So everything seems to work. Touch works fine. In some cases, if touch doesn't work, it means your LCD has water damage as well, or liquid damage as well in there. Because on Samsung, actually, touch IC is not like iPhones. They don't put it on the board, because if you get a damaged screen or something like that, you just change the screen, and the chip is on a LCD flex connector. So if the touch doesn't work, don't panic. It's not the board. It's just the flex, which has some water damage, and definitely the power supply for the actual touch flex doesn't work. So all you need to do is just clean, open the LCD, take the bezel off. I've got a different video you can check on my channel, how to remove the display without cracking it. And that's it. As you can see, the test works fine. Everything seems to work nice. Anyway, this was a short video. In some cases works, in some cases doesn't. But as I said before, if the phone doesn't work, it's more like you need more skills in order to fix it. You need a power supply to see how much current actually your board is drawing. So if it's under 125, or let's say 200 maximum, it means something is wrong. Or either charging port, you have to test a new charging port, new battery, and then you have to diagnose your board, which you need a multimeter and more electronic skills. So okay, that's it guys. If you like it, please subscribe, and I'll make sure I'll put more proper videos, more new videos, more interesting videos about it. Okay, bye bye.